Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh. Welcome to the Device Intel Melodies project, a smart motorcycle dashboard system. We are starting here in Visual Studio Code, looking at the front end architecture. If built this dashboard using a combination of HTML5, CSS3, and JavaScript, specifically utilizing the Chart.js library to handle real-time data visualization. As you can see in the code, if meticulously styled and interface to look like a modern vehicle cluster, we have goggles for RPM and speed, alongside metric cards for total mileage, trip distance, engine temperature, and fuel levels. The local here is given by series of JavaScript functions that listen for data updates. If implemented start and stop button logic with triggers and the interval for data simulation and recording. The dashboard is full responsive, featuring a dark theme UI that easy on the eyes during night rides. Everything for the SVG based needle animation to the CSS pulsing station indicator has been turned for a smooth 16 frames per second experience, ensuring that when the data flows in from the ESP32, the user gets immediate visual feedback. Moving over the brain, the operations, the ESP32 framework. This is the C++ code running on the microcontroller. I'm using the Bluetooth serial library to allow the motorcycle to communicate wireless with the dashboard. In the setup function, I define the pin module for the logic handle different commands. When it receives it 1, the ignition relay flip on 0 turns in off. The most critical partner is started logic. It only allows the starter for engine if the ignition is already active, preventing an accidental electrical surge. Now let the bicycle build. Here the motor type layout. We are using an ESP32 divide kit. First F1 as the primary controller due to its built-in the Bluetooth and Wi-Fi capabilities to interface with the high voltage electrical system of the motorcycle. If integrated, a 2-channel relay model on relay handles the main point length, the inclination, and the second on handles the high current demand of the starter motor for power management. I'm using a specialized power model to step down the motorcycle battery output to a stable 5V for the ESP32. You can see the wiring harness. If I start put together, if important, use to proper installation and secure connection, because the vibration of a running engine can easily shake, lose any power soldering or weak trims. This setup is compact enough to be tucked away behind the motorcycle for front firing. Let's go into the nitty-gritty of wiring integration. If tapped into the motorcycle existing ignition switch harness by placing our relays in parallel with the manual key switch, we maintain the ability to use the bicycle key while adding the SmartPort control bypass. The blue and red wires you can hear the signal lines going for the ESP32 relay trigger and explaining how the current flow. The ESP sends high signal to the optocoupler on the relay board, which then closes the circuits to the starter solenoid. This part requires a lot of patience. You have to identify the correct wire for the pulse and ignition using a multi-tailor to ensure we don't blow any fuses. It's complex web of cables, but is organized to follow motorcycles factory routing to prevent any interference with the starting of head from the engine block. In this final stage, I'm finishing up the assembly and testing the structural integrity of the components. Everything is being double checked from the ground with regards to the data pins. The goal here is seamless integration where the web dashboard reflects the exact stage of the bike. When I hit start on the phone, the relax clicks the legs on the dashcam on the engine fires up. This project isn't just about the cool factor of starting bike with phone. It is about the data, having real-time RPM, temperature, and diagnosis. The custom boot web interface allow her for much better maintenance tracking than a standard analog gauge ever could. It's been a long process of debugging code and catching wiring faults, but seeing the tall stack and ESP32 hardware working in perfect harmony make it all worth it. Thanks for following along with this build. Stay tuned for the final road test. And here is the highlight of the project. Interface web dashboard. As you can see on the screen, this is just was monitoring as full functional remote for the motorcycle. If designed this interface using Talstack to ensure seamless real-time connection between that web UI and the hardware. Its purpose that with the ring stroke like Laravel ESP32 a bit creative, we can build powerful IoT, and this is the feature. Okay, then this is my project. Wassalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh.